The expansion and progress of affiliate marketing in the global business remain notable. It already gained a huge part in the marketing world and is continually increasing its popularity. It is commonly sought after for a possible source of passive income, but with the number of companies and people choosing it as an effective way to earn, it has become a full-blown online business which has helped more and more people to earn worldwide. The commission-based business models already existed long ago. You influence the buyer to purchase your partner's products and in turn you earn commissions. With the rise of internet, this long-existing business model is now called affiliate marketing. People are even becoming more and more curious about affiliate marketing that its search interest in Google rose by 30% from September 2016 to September 2017. And it is predicted that US spend on affiliate marketing is expected to rise to $6.8 billion. People are seeing how this business has grown over the years and quickly realizing its big potential to make money. This business works and has changed a lot of lives, just like the life of John Crestani, who is now an internationally renowned expert in affiliate marketing. He created the Super Affiliate System, which was previously known as Internet JetSet System. It is a complete affiliate marketing course for everyone. Everything that you need to know on how to start and how to earn through affiliate marketing are provided by this training course. In fact, it has created a lot of successful students, including 5 seven-figure marketers. If you are like John, who is dissatisfied with his life before being in the corporate world, trying to escape the 9-to-5 rat race and just wanting to have your own way and live your life the way you want to, Super Affiliate System can help you, just like affiliate marketing changed his life, that he's now living the dream and helping a lot of people to do the same with this training course. Advantages: John Crestani is real and authentic, unlike other program offers or products that have fake founders. This is John Crestani, who has made a lot of success for himself and has helped a lot of people become successful because of his course. He is an entrepreneur who was featured on Forbes, Affiliate Summit and Yahoo Finance, in addition to large news networks like Fox and CBS. His training course not only offers you an in-depth discussion about affiliate marketing, you will also learn about mindset. To be successful, having the right mindset is everything. If you doubt yourself from the beginning, you will have a hard time achieving your goals. Instead, focus on your capability and believe in yourself. It is a step-by-step training that is easy to follow and understand. If you are a beginner, you don't need to worry because you don't need specific expertise to learn affiliate marketing and earn through it. This program is promoted by top marketers, proving its authenticity and effectivity. It has useful marketing tools and resources that teach students about traffic sources and how to effectively market products with proven tactics and methods to making money online. The Super Affiliate System is committed to make successful students, teaching them to create a business for themselves through profitable affiliate campaigns. Creating engaging ads that work, downloadable pre-sale page templates and access to high-ticket affiliate offers that produce recurring revenues are all included in the training. John will help you have an online business in any niche and generate sales numbers. He focuses to teach you core skills like copywriting, data analysis and research. These skills are the pillar of how to effectively market products online. It has many positive reviews and testimonials. Disadvantages: you will be needing your own computer or laptop to have the program. The product cost may be pricey, but the course is jam-packed with all the data that you need to start and make your own affiliate marketing business a success. This product works, which makes it worth your money. Should you get it? Paid advertising and affiliate marketing can help you. It's a proven way towards success. It's not complicated, it's a simple business model that can be summed up with John Crestani's words: your job as an affiliate marketer is to do a better job of selling the product than the merchant itself. If you want to level up your life, Super Affiliate System is a great tool to make it come true. Stop continually escaping from the corporate life and start living your dream by learning from the expert who experienced the same stress, dissatisfaction, frustration and exhaustion that you are feeling. John Crestani is now successfully running an internet business anywhere in the world and loving the freedom that he has. So, if you want to achieve time and financial freedom, check out the Super Affiliate System.